welcome to the Stock Market Morning Prep video for Tuesday, November 25th. Green across the board. Dow Jones up 784, Nasdaq up 41.92, S&P up 591, and the Russell up $14.52. Very quiet trading. This trading that we've been, at least right from this area here, from right just about early November before we gapped up with that intervention, Japan intervention. We've been really, as you can see, candles have been very, very tight, very quiet, and every time we've made new highs was mostly at the end of the day with shorts covered and squeezed the market up again. So we did get another push up again on Friday, and yesterday was a very quiet day. Most of the candles, some of them anyway, have put in indecision candles, and then yesterday, this was on Friday, and yesterday we had another move higher. So that kind of negated the move for Friday, possible reversal. So what are we looking at here? Well, we are grossly overbought. We've come this far, this fast in a very short period of time with lack of volume. All you could say is just tighten your stops and use caution. Continue to trade the trend until it ends. There's nothing else you can really say about it. I would not be looking to short the market. But I will say I would use a little caution. We are going to be coming into a little bit of weakness. First 2 weeks of December, we get a little bit of tax selling that comes in and kind of at least stall the market or maybe kind of give it a slight pullback. I do not see any big sell-off happening between now and the end of the year, unless obviously there's some sort of a catalyst that comes into play. But we just want to keep our stops tight and know that at any given moment we can have reversal. We are extremely overbought. I just put the MACD and stochastics to show you. And lack of volume that confirms this move to me in this crazy market. I would use extreme caution. Again, not to short the market, but to look for, if you're looking for stocks, look for quality stocks that maybe have taken a little bit of a breather and have consolidated sideways. Look for good points in the charts, and that's where you'd want to be looking to play, at least in an intraday basis. Okay. As far as swing trading, to me, if I was a swing trader, I'd be basically lightening up my book going into this month, coming in December. We do have some decent moves in December. However, with a move like this that we've just had for 28 trading days, and the 8 hasn't broken below that, and I think it was, believe it or not, was 4 times in 60 years. I read it on the internet somewhere. I'm not sure where, but don't quote me on it. But I know it was something crazy like that. I know we had one. We had a similar price action like this in 2006 that I saw, and then that kind of marked the top here. So just use caution, and let's trade the trend, and then trade the patterns, and of course your trading plan. All right. So we've got the spiders up here in the daily chart. And again, not much to say. Very quiet. Now, I mean, I wouldn't even call it a holiday trade, but my gosh, it's we're here already, and we haven't done anything. There's no volatility. As you can see, the candle's extremely light, and we'll just see what happens, and possibly we get some kind of selling coming in. Here's that 30-minute spiders with the Bollinger Bands. We're at tighten now, so it looks like we're ready to vacate the area once again. As you can see that here, and then here we just started to kind of, this was a slow grind here. And then we were sideways for another 3 days. So you could see 4 or 5 days of consolidation, 3 days up, and then again a pop up, and now we're pinching again. So look for some sort of a move in the next few days. We do have Thanksgiving on Thursday here in the States, so look for something maybe today or tomorrow. Friday is generally a big up day. On Friday, it's very bullish coming off of the Thanksgiving holiday. Here's the diamonds, and we just want to show you where we are here. We usually get a holiday reversal, but I just don't know. It seems like there's no selling and no sellers around at all. I mean, there's really nothing. Market sells off for a little bit and just comes right back up again. So, for me personally, just an opinion, I just can't understand why. I understand it's a liquidity-driven market. It's just that we have so many problems out there. But if the Federal Reserve and the central bankers around the world want to continue to pump liquidity, to me, that's a warning sign. That's like saying, wow. Something really isn't right here. But anyway, nonetheless, diamonds up in this area here, as you can see, inside day from Friday. So we'll see if we can vacate the premises here and continue to move higher. And as you can see here, you can see what I mean about the transports. Very, very strong. We're straight up, and this definitely validates the move. We did have some better volume on the other 4 indices. So this is our leader, and watch what the leader does here. It looks like it wants to continue to move higher here. And obviously, especially on a very weak oil. and IWM. Inside day from the previous day. We do have a double top in place here. So let's see if we can bust out high. If we do, we're going to challenge this high right up in this area here. And then I'll put some Fibonacci extensions once we start to break higher to show you where we are here. Okay? And then lastly is the Qs. You can see that, another inside day. So very quiet. 4 or 5 days up. We have 2 or 3 up days, inside days, and then another up day, 2 days in. So this is not really healthy trading. It's just, basically you buy it and you hold it and close your eyes. And that's not really the type of trading that I get involved in. All right, guys, that's really it. I know it's boring, but I just want to show you where we are on the charts. I'll start putting some Fibonacci extensions up top just to get some upside targets here, and then we'll see what happens. I mean, from here, and here's that 8 again. I mean, continually move higher in 27 trading days. That's pretty nuts without even a pullback. I mean, literally not even a 1.5% pullback we haven't had. So be prepared, because it's going to happen when everybody least expect it, and it might not happen this year, but we start a whole new trading year, and that's something that we'll start putting out some forecasts later on in December as well. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.